Hi, I'm Annie from ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I am thrilled to introduce our special release of new Zippers by the Yard colors. It has been over a decade since we last introduced new zipper colors, giving us plenty of time to explore what truly inspires us. As we brainstormed, we found ourselves drawn to the fresh, vibrant colors of spring. We explored a variety of gorgeous pinks, purples, greens, and other hues reminiscent of a blooming garden. After nearly a year of researching, comparing shades to our existing collection, and testing them alongside the latest fabric designs from our favorite designers, we carefully curated a set of 4 stunning new colors. So without further ado, let's take a closer look at each one. The moment we started planning new zipper colors, we knew we had to include a coral. Even with 6 stunning shades of pink and a variety of reds and oranges in our existing collection, we felt the need for something in between, something bright, bold, and full of energy. A vivid color like this coral is perfect for enhancing bright fabrics or for creating striking contrast against deeper, richer tones in your projects. Just look at how this zipper would stand out against the fabrics in this side hustle, yet seamlessly blend with the fabrics in this small, hot, and heavy. Our new coral is a versatile shade that we're sure will spark your creativity. The next must-have color on our list was lilac. This soft, purplish blue hue is a beautiful complement to a vast array of projects. With its mix of purple and blue undertones, it pairs effortlessly with a wide range of colors, making it incredibly versatile. Personally, I love how the lilac enhances the depth and richness of colors in these fabrics from a variety of manufacturers. Staying within the purple family, we couldn't resist this stunning orchid shade. It's bold enough to complement vibrant fabrics like these from Kristen Katz, a new free spirit designer from Australia. Yet it's subtle enough to blend beautifully with neutral tones without overwhelming them. Cherrywood's succulent collection has really inspired us, sparking endless ideas for incorporating these orchid zippers into our projects. That brings us to the final color in this special release collection, olive. No spring palette would be complete without green, and this shade perfectly captures the essence of gardens and fresh new growth. As we tested various greens against upcoming fabric designs, olive consistently stood out as a fantastic match for many designers. Whether you're drawn to Tula Pink's vibrant Untamed collection or have been eyeing Tilda's fabulous lines, our new olive zipper is a versatile option that will complement your projects beautifully. One of the things we love most about this collection is how beautifully these colors complement each other. I can easily imagine using all 4 colors on a project that uses several zippers, such as this A Place for Everything 2.0. If you take a closer look at the zippers with Tula's Full Moon Forest 2 collection, you'll notice that every single one of these colors pairs effortlessly. Cafe by Morris is another great example of a collection where any of these zippers would be a perfect fit. Even as I lay these zippers over different fabrics, you can see how seamlessly they blend or stand out, making them ideal for any bag maker. Some love bold contrast for fun, unique bags, while others prefer a zipper that blends in. With these new colors, you can achieve either look effortlessly. We can't wait to see how you mix and match them in your own projects. Like all of our ByAnnie handbag zippers, these are a number 4.5 size, perfect for purses, bags, totes, and more. Unlike standard apparel zippers, they feature a wide zipper tape, making them much easier to work with. Plus, the soft nylon teeth allow you to sew right through the tape without worrying about broken needles. They're easy to cut, too. For this special release, we're offering these 4 colors as zippers by the yard. Each set includes 4 yards of nylon zipper chain and 16 matching pulls. Since the colors coordinate so beautifully, you can also mix and match zipper pulls for a fun contrast. With the generous 4-yard length, you can minimize waste and maximize both your time and budget. These special edition colors are expected to be available throughout 2025, though they haven't been officially added to our long-term collection just yet. Let me show you how easy it is to attach the zipper pulls to the tape using ByAnnie zippers by the yard. Note that each end of ByAnnie's zipper tape has about 3/4 of an inch of tape with no teeth attached. This makes it super easy to attach a pull to the fabric tape. You don't need any special jigs or tools, just your hands. We're going to attach the slide from the rounded end, which has 2 channels. So open the tape a few inches so that you have 2 pieces. Hold the zipper pull with its right side up. The pull will be on top. Insert the left side of the tape into the left channel on the pull. Then insert the right side of the tape into the right channel on the pull. Let the pull slide down the tape until it hits the teeth. Then, holding on to the tape, just pull down to attach the slide. Easy peasy. If you're new to ByAnnie zippers, be sure to check out our free course, Zippers Are Easy, available at our website, ByAnnie.com. You can also find the link in the description below. That video will explain how to make single slide zippers like we used on this side hustle bag, double slide luggage style zippers that let you open the bag in either direction as we used on the hot and heavy, how to make best use of the zipper tape, how to attach zipper slides to cut tape, and more. We are beyond excited to share these new zipper colors with you. Zippers were one of the very first products I started selling through ByAnnie, so in the spirit of spring, it's been such a joy to return to our roots and create this fresh, inspiring collection. We hope these colors help your creativity bloom this spring. If they spark a new project idea for you, we'd love to see it. Tag us on social media at Patterns by Annie and enter our monthly photo contest for a chance to win a $50 shopping spree at ByAnnie. Visit ByAnnie.com/photo_contest for all the details. Also, we wanted to take a quick second to thank you for helping us get to 75,000 subscribers. It means a lot that so many of you value our content and have stuck around for so long. That being said, if you enjoy our videos and aren't currently subscribed, please consider subscribing. Over half of our viewership here on YouTube has not subscribed. Subscribing guarantees that you'll see our videos when they come out. It also helps let us know that you enjoy our content and want to see more. We would love to reach even bigger milestones and hope you'll help us get there by clicking on the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy stitching!